are ready for growth over grades. The going cons will show their grades. So let's see how they are performing. What you have prepared?
I'm checking the sugar level.
Okay, how are you
This is the sugar level machine, and this is the strips, and this is the pen. So I'm checking with this pen. Okay, and for on number 5, and a strip.
So yes. So so let's check what Bhumika is preparing. Yes, what you have prepared?
I am checking the blood pressure of the patient.
Thank you. So now we are going to the blood group testing. Yes, what you have prepared?
Now we are going to do blood blood group checking. We have anti-serals like needles for the blood group checking.
Thank you. It's a very interesting. Now let's move to next. Yes, what you have prepared?
We prepared our
How it works?
it is a model.
Please tell us that how it performs.
It is a vena cave. It is left ventricle. This is right ventricle. This is left ventricle. This is pocket.
Thank you. Welcome. Now I would like to invite Kavyan. She will introduce our many activities.
Good morning everyone, I am Kavya Rathore from grade 7. Let's move ahead and see what they have prepared.
We prepare. Good morning. My name is Fatima. I am from grade. My name is Manan Jain, and I am from grade 8. Today we prepared crops of India, and you can see that for the example of a Z crop, sugarcane. Sugarcane is in a rainy season, and kharif crop. For example, rice, and it is grown in between December to March. Or rabi crop, it is grown in August to November. Crops of India.
So how it works?
It works how the crops of India are grown in different weathers and different seasons.
Good morning, I'm Sunny from grade 8, and this is a drip system. So in this plant, this is pipe is connected to the plants, and just drop by drop, it down over here, and it works.
Now we will show you first we will add some yellow, some lemon, some dish soap, and some baking soda. And this is how it works. Yes, this is a scientific. You have to pass this wire without touching here to this end. Let's we see you. If we have touched,
Now I had showed you that the different crops and the water drops, volcanoes. Let's move to the next. What you had prepared?
we had prepared the hydropower plant. This is work on the this is a bottle which is on the height. When the water is flow on the turbine, a kind of a wheel, the turbine moves and electricity generate, and then electricity generate, the light will on.
Okay, thank you. What you had prepared? Can you
We have prepared the buzzer wire game. It is a fun way to learn about electricity. It work on the principle of open and closed circuit.
What's your name?
My name is Kartik Sirvi. Grade.
My name is Krish Arti. We had prepared vacuum cleaner.
Can you please show us how it works?
Yes. in a vacuum cleaner and it causing air and debris to be shoved in Boston to be in Fate Port.
Okay, thank you. What's your name?
My name is Yogesh Bhatti. I am from grade 8.
Can you please explain this? What you had prepared?
This project is sublimation, and the sublimation mean sublimation mean convert to solid to gaseous form. Example: naphtha ball and camphor.
Okay, thank you. Now we had seen a vacuum cleaner, so let's move ahead and see what they had prepared. What's your name?
Raiva.
We are not preparing vacuum cleaner. What you had prepared?
We have prepared acid, base, and salt project.
Can you please explain this how it works?
Yes. So there are some examples of acid, base, and salt.
Acid have
Tea, and turmine, lemon juice. Base have baking soda, detergent, and soap. Salt have different types of salt. It is made up of rocks.
Now we will do the experiment. What you had prepared?
Now we will take some detergent and turmeric. It is turmeric. Turmeric. And it is water. Now we will mix it together. It will make red color. Now we will make it red color. Now we will
Okay.
pour some lemon juice inside it. It will change the color into yellow. It changes the color into yellow. This is our acid example. Now we will do the base example.
So there are too many exhibitions, so I will show you all the exhibition. Let's start from here. What's your name?
I am Garbit from class 7.
What you had prepared? Can you please tell us?
We have prepared a project on layers of the earth. There are main 4 layers of the earth are crust, mantle, outer core, inner core. The uppermost layer of the earth is crust, where we live. It is divided into two parts: a continental crust and oceanic crust.
What is your name?
My name is Harsh Mujafar.
What you had prepared?
I prepared layers of atmosphere.
Can you please explain us?
Yes, there are so many layers of the atmosphere in the earth. But the first layer of the atmosphere is troposphere. There are flying hot air balloon in the troposphere. It is the first layer of the earth. Then
Let's move ahead and see what they had prepared. What's your name?
my name is Sidvi.
And I am Pranvi. Today we have prepared a model on rock cycle.
The rock is continuous process or transform of rock from one type to another, shaping the Earth's geology over thousands of years. Rocks are currently changing, forming and reforming throughout the rock cycle, influenced by heat, pressure, and erosion. There are 3 types of rock: igneous rock, sedimentary rock, and metamorphic rock.
First, the molten magma comes out, cools, and solidifies into igneous rock. Example, granite and basalt.
Then the igneous rock are broken down into different sediments.
These sediments then form sedimentary rock.
Example, sandstone and limestone.
Thank you. Let's move ahead. What is your name?
My name is Nutan Rajkumar.
From which class you are?
I'm from 12th class.
Can you please explain your project?
Yes, I
What you
can.
prepared?
This is a scheme launched by the Government of India to provide medicine in low cost.
Thank you. What is your name?
My name is Jyoti and I'm from grade 12th.
Can you please explain what you had prepared?
Here I'm explaining government scheme Pradhan Mantri Ghar Muft Bijli Yojana, and it's for
So let's ask the parents how they like the exhibition. Ma'am, how do you like the exhibition?
Very nice. बच्चों ने काफी एफर्ट किया है.
Thank you. Now let's see banking consultancy. What is your name?
Myself Tanmay Jain from class 12 commerce, and I am from a loan department. I will assist you to choose the right loan as per your needs and explain the terms and conditions and interest rates clearly. I will provide 4 types of loan: personal loan, home loan, educational loan, and vehicle loan. The personal loan, the interest rate is very low, 9 to 13%, and it requires no security, and it is very quick approval. Within 4 to 5 hours, the amount will credit to your bank. Home loan, the interest rate is very low, 7 to 9%, based on the subsidies of Pradhan Mantri.
Good morning.
What is your name?
My name is Ronak Sharma and I am financial advisor. I will explain you about investment. Sir, investment is a branch of bank. Raise fund and give important advices to financial support if they need it.
Thank you. What is your name?
My name is Shreyans. I am acting as a consultant with our insurance advisory division. And we are providing insurance at the most affordable rates. We provide different types of insurance. As you know, life is uncertain. We provide we provide a premium at affordable rates to provide financial security to our family.
Thank you. Now we had seen that there are so many ideas and projects that they had prepared. Let's move ahead. What is your name?
I'm Kashika from grade 8. This is a Arabian file. It means that it has all the informations of it in it, medical herbs. Have a look at it. It is a tulsi used as a purifier for blood and treat skin conditions. Thank you.
Thank you. So what's your name?
My name is Rohan Vyas. This is a cold and cough. Instead of allopathic syrup, if children have cold and cough, you can give them kada made of tulsi leaves, fresh ginger, turmeric, pepper powder, jaggery. This will boiled in hot water.
Thank you. What's your name?
My name is Therianar.
From which class you are?
4th.
What you had prepared?
If your child has acidity, instead of taking allopathic medicines like Pentop 40 tablets, you can give them a magical powder. Mix carom powder, dried coconut powder, rock sugar or mushroom powder. Give them 1 spoon after meals regularly for 4 to 5 days. They will get relief. Thank you.
What is your name?
My name is Vanvi.
From which class you are?
3rd.
What you had prepared?
If your child has any energy due to eating something wrong, they instead of giving them allopathic tablets, 2 to 3 pinch of pepper powder and ghee, and ask your child to drink it, your child will get state relief. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. What is your name?
My name is Tushar Sharma.
From which class you are?
5th.
Okay, what you had prepared?
To check pure milk, take 2 glasses of milk and add few drops of iodine. The pure milk will have no effect, and impure milk will have changed color. Thank you.
Okay. What is your name?
Goon Surana.
Okay. What you had prepared?
This is turmeric. I will tell you some properties of turmeric. Turmeric is a spice that comes from ginger family and is used as both a spice and medicinal herb. This is this helps in improving gut health and immune system. Curcumin is a natural anti-inflammatory compound which comes from turmeric. Turmeric is a magical spice in our kitchen. Drinking turmeric water or turmeric milk gives healthy body, relaxed body, and healthy bones. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. What's your name?
Kunja Sharma. I am dealt the stomach problem. If your child has stomach problem, give instead of giving allopathic medicine, take 2 spoons of carom seeds, that is ajwain, and add and a pinch of salt, and add asafoetida powder, that is hing powder. Consume it with water. So your child's problem is finished. Thank you.
Thank you. Let's ask to parents how they like. How do you like the exhibition you had seen?
Nice, ma'am. Very nice. Good. All children giving nice explanation.
Thank you.
With water. If it floats on water, it is fake pepper. If it settles down, it is pure pepper. Thank you. By holding a flame to the cheese, real cheese melts and becomes crunchy, while processed cheese may be burned black or melt properly. Thank you.
Let's move ahead and see what they had prepared. What is your name?
Naks Lukkad.
From which class you are?
6th.
Can you please explain us what you had prepared?
In case of sudden toothache, instead of taking paracetamol, we can dip a small piece of cotton in olive oil and place it in the decayed tooth and press it. We will get instant relief.
What you had prepared?
I will tell you, we should not use allopathic medicine. We should use Ayurvedic or simple home or kitchen remedies. So, good morning. Myself Zahra Chaudhary from class 6. We all fall sick and we want to get instant relief from our problem. Maybe it constipations, headache, toothache, etc. So we run for the allopathic medicines which give instant relief at a moment, but later it would definitely affect some organs of our body. So please switch to the our Ayurveda or simple home or kitchen remedies which help to get relief from our problem without affecting our other organs. Children at tender age.
Thank you. What is your name?
My name is Alina and I am studying class 5th. I will help you how to test real cheese. We can test cheese for purity and using simple home method like melting. By holding a flame to the cheese, real cheese melts and becomes crunchy, while processed cheese may be burned black or melt properly. Thank you.
What is your name?
Myself Siddharth Maga. Today I will help you how to test real pepper. To increase the sales and get profit, dried papaya seeds are added to pepper. To test whether the pepper is pure or fake, take a glass half filled with water. Add pepper to it. If it floats on water, it is fake pepper. If it settles down, it is pure pepper. Thank you.
Okay. What is your name?
My name is Desha.
What is your name?
My name is Manashwi.
Can you please explain what you had prepared?
Good morning. My name is Deshna. I study in class 12. I will help you how to test real butter. To identify whether the butter is pure fake or pure fake, and add two glass of hot water and add small piece of a butter. It is mixed well. If it melts easily, this is a pure butter. But if it cannot dissolve easily, it is a fake butter. Thank you.
Okay. What you had prepared?
Good morning. My name is Manashwi. I'm studying class 5th. I will help you how to test real turmeric. Put 1 spoon of turmeric in a glass of water. If it settles down, it is pure. But if its particles float on surface and color of water changed in yellow, it is impure turmeric. Thank you.
Okay. What is your name?
My name is Raymond Jiravla. I am studying class 5th. I will help you to taste real paneer. Add few drop of iodine to a piece. of paneer. Of paneer. If it contain purple, blue, black, or brown, that show paneer is fake.
Works.
Okay, that's paneer. This is a iodine. 2 minutes. This is a pure and this is a fake paneer.
Now they're explaining that what is a healthy food and a junk food. So let's see what they had made. What is your name?
My name is Harshil Baradia. I'm from class 7. You want your children to eat almond every day, but they do not want to eat. So you can make a variation. Dip the almond in chocolate sauce and refrigerate to eat. But
Thank you. Okay. What is your name?
My name is Pat. These all are healthy food. This is paneer curry, green vegetable dal curry, rice, salad, lemon, pickle, and chapati.
Okay. What is your name?
my name is Kushagra Sharma. This is a junk food. Pizza, burger, sweets, french fries, pasta.
Okay, thank you. What is the difference between a healthy food and a junk food?
Healthy food is healthy, and from eating healthy food we don't get diseases, and from eating junk food we can get many diseases like heart diseases, back pain, and many more.
Okay, thank you. This is GD Goenka science exhibition. I show you lots of food experiments and science projects, SST projects. So let's ask the parents how they like that.
बहुत बढ़िया लगा। मेरा नाम विनोद लुक्कड़, नेशनल पार्क पाली मारवाड़ से आए हैं। बहुत बढ़िया लगा है और ऐसा होना चाहिए ताकि बच्चे को मालूम पड़े कि कैसे करना चाहिए, क्या करना चाहिए, क्या नहीं करना चाहिए।
ये बहुत अच्छा लगा हमें कि बच्चों से इतना अच्छा काम करवाया। मेरे बच्चों को आगे बढ़ने की एक बहुत अच्छी प्रतिक्रिया है और हमें ये सब देख के सब बच्चों का उत्साह भी बहुत अच्छा है और बड़ा ही अच्छा लगा हमें ये देख के सब।
Thank you, sir. And what about your experience?
Very nice. Good to work. Good work.
The exhibitions and the projects.
फर्स्ट टाइम दिस इज वेरी गुड ऑर्गेनाइजेशन और बहुत अच्छा लगा। सब बच्चों ही कर रहे हैं और बच्चों के द्वारा सबको जानकारी भी मिल रही है। इसमें काफ़ी चीज़ें हैं जो हमको पता भी नहीं है और बच्चों ने हमको जानकारी दी। बहुत अच्छा लगा देख के और बहुत मज़ा आया बच्चों से मिल के और सब बच्चों ने बहुत मेहनत की है।
Thank you, sir. Ma'am, are you aware about the government schemes?
स्कीम तो अच्छी है पर इन बच्चों के बारे में कहना चाहूँगी कि इतनी छोटी उम्र में इतना सब नॉलेज देख के अच्छा लगा कि स्कूल में बच्चों को इतना अच्छा पढ़ा रहे कर रहे, बहुत अच्छा लगा।
Thank you, ma'am. Sir, how do you like the exhibitions and the projects?
It is the best exhibition I have ever seen. The students are very confident and they prepared a lot. It shows their sheer hard work and labor. I'm really impressed. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
It was a very good thing. They have done a lot of hard work and they have already given more information regarding the simple homely things which people tend to ignore in general. So it was very informative and it was a good effort by students.
सर, आज जो GD गोयनका पब्लिक स्कूल पाली के अंदर PTM पेरेंट्स टीचर मीटिंग जो आयोजन किया गया है उसके अंतर्गत बच्चों के विकास के साथ साथ, सर्वांगीण विकास के साथ साथ बच्चों को ये बताना कि जो सर्विसेज डेली रूटीन में बच्चों के प्लस अभिभावकों को जो ज़रूरत है उस चीज़ की चीज़ें सिखाई गई है बच्चों को और बच्चों को ये पता चले कि भारत के अंदर क्या क्या चीज़ें कैसे कैसे चल रही है, चाहे वो चिकित्सा संबंधी हो, चाहे वो अकाउंट संबंधी हो, चाहे बैंकिंग सेक्टर हो, चाहे आयुर्वेद हो, चाहे जंक फूड से क्या लाभ हानि, फूड में क्या चीज़ से लाभ है, क्या हानि है, जंक फूड कितना नुकसानदेह है, ये चीज़ बताई गई है, जिससे बच्चों को ये पता चले कि क्या चीज़ खाने से क्या होता है, साथ ही साथ ये पता चले कि क्या चीज़ नहीं खाने से कितनी तकलीफ़ होती है। तो बच्चों को जब वो खुद करके देखेंगे तो उससे सीखेंगे, क्योंकि एक ही चीज़ है, करके देखो। बच्चा खुद कर रहा है तो वो उस चीज़ में सीखेगा कि मैंने ये किया है, तो खाते हुए भी उसे जंक फूड में ये लगेगा कि हाँ इसमें ये नुकसान है और ये चीज़ है, तो वो उससे पीछे हटेगा। इसीलिए बच्चों को सिखाया गया। साथ ही चिकित्सा के अंदर ये बताया गया कि सीपीआर कैसे दिया जाता है, सीपीआर के क्या बेनिफिट है, कहाँ कैसे सडन कुछ कर हो जाए दुर्घटना तो उसमें बच्चा उस चीज़ के अंदर फर्स्ट एड सर्विस प्रोवाइड करा सके। तो जीडी गोयनका का हर बच्चा उस चीज़ से अवेयर है और यही मोटो के साथ आगे बढ़ रही है जीडी गोयनका।